Hey guys, Lilah here from Higgins Creative. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw and also digitize your coloring pages. Let's dive in.
So the first thing you're going to do is gather your tools. You need a sketch pad or some sort of paper and a pencil and an inking pen or a brush. Step one is you're going to sketch your design. So keep this as simple as possible. Remember to keep your hand light as you're sketching. You don't want to have to erase too much, and just get the basic shapes of everything. You can always go back in and add more details when you're inking. Step number two, you're going to start inking your design. So you basically want to have a dark enough color, preferably black, that will be easy to capture with the image trace option in Illustrator. So if you're going to be doing this in Illustrator, you just want to make sure that there's enough contrast between the two colors. If you're going to be transferring this into something like Procreate, you can always snap a picture and then trace around your penciled design, which is totally fine, or you can ink it. Either way. Next, you'll want to capture your design with a regular camera on your phone, and you'll import that into your design software. So we're going to show you how to go into Illustrator from here because I think it's an easier way to keep things clean and to do it all in a very quick workflow. But if you want to also just take a picture of your sketch or your inked design and put it into Procreate, you can simply just pop it into Procreate, turn down the opacity on the image, create a new layer, and then trace over it. But here's how we do it in Illustrator. So the first thing you want to do when you import into Illustrator, obviously, is make a new file. You're going to make a new file and open that up. And then you're going to click and drag that image that you created into Illustrator. Now, if you didn't get a well-lighted image, you'll want to pop this into Photoshop first and create some contrast and kind of play with the levels so that you've got a really strong contrast between the black and the white. Hey guys, quick break here. I wanted to take a minute to tell you about The Forge. This is our group coaching program, and we like to feature members in this community. So one of our Forge members this quarter launched her very first podcast, and she's been putting out episodes about how to be an artist and ways that God uses our creativity to bless people around us, and it has been amazing to see her launch. You can do it too. If you need help coming up with a great business idea, implementing one you already have, join us in The Forge. We're a Christ-following creative band of business owners pursuing our callings and our careers together. To learn more, you can go to theforge.community or subscribe to The Forge podcast, wherever podcasts are found. For step 5, we're going to image trace, removing everything with the black lines. You can just pop it into Illustrator, and then you'll just go up to the top here and click image trace. Now, once you click image trace, it's probably going to default to black and white logo. You can always mess with other colors if you want to, or other tracing options up here on this click and drag down menu, but it's totally up to you. Once you hit image trace, you're just going to hit expand, and that's going to separate it out into different sections of the colors. You'll right click and hit ungroup, and then delete all of the white extra pieces just so you have the black left. For step 6, we're going to clean up your design. So you're going to go in and you can erase any extra black pieces that got in there, or you can clean up some lines. You can also select all and simplify using the right click option here, and that will help your design just really be refined and be more simple and be easier for people to color. And for step 7, you're going to export it, and you're going to put it on Society 6, or you're going to sell it on Etsy, or you're going to make it a print, or you're going to give it away to your email list. However you want to structure it, just make sure if you're doing a coloring page that you put your name on it so that people can see who created it and you don't lose that credit.
I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Whether you're selling or giving away these coloring pages, I'd love to see them in the links below. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you end up doing with your designs. Until next time, this is Lilah Higgins reminding you to get visual and get visible. I'll see you next time.